Master the art of prediction in active reading. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Reading Comprehension Strategies series. Today, we are going to dive into a very important part of active reading, and that is making predictions. Making predictions while reading can drastically improve your understanding and engagement with the text. So, let's get started. Making predictions is a strategy where you, as a reader, make educated guesses about what will happen next in the text. These predictions can be about the plot, a character's actions, the theme, or even the message of the text. In other words, predicting is like looking into a crystal ball to see what might happen next, but instead of magic, you use clues from the text. You might be wondering why making predictions is crucial for active reading. Well, making predictions does two primary things. 1. Engages your brain. By making predictions, you're actively engaging with the text, instead of just passively reading. This engagement makes the reading experience more lively and memorable. 2. Boosts comprehension. Predicting allows you to connect different parts of the text and understand how they relate to each other. It makes you think ahead, improving your overall comprehension and retention of the text. Making predictions before reading may seem a bit tricky at first, but there are a few strategies that you can use. 1. Look at the title and the cover. Just like you judge a book by its cover, you can make some predictions based on the title, the cover image, and even the blurb at the back of a book. 2. Consider the author and the genre. If you're familiar with the author or the genre of the text, you can use your previous knowledge to make some educated guesses. 3. Skim the text. Quickly scanning the first few lines or paragraphs of a text can give you a sense of what the story might be about. Remember, there are no wrong predictions. They are simply your initial thoughts, and they may change as you start reading the text. Now that we know the how and why of making predictions, let's practice a bit. Start by picking a text. It could be a novel, a news article, or a blog post. Before you start reading, take a few moments to make some predictions. Write them down and then, as you read, see how your predictions compare to the actual content of the text. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you will get at making accurate predictions. And that's a wrap on making predictions in active reading. Remember, making predictions is not just about being right or wrong. It's about engaging more deeply with the text and boosting your comprehension skills. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of prediction in no time. Until our next lesson, happy reading!